Booling Mould Co., Limited, has strict quality control system and high-efficiency work team. We specialize in manufacturing plastic injection mold which covers a great range, including commodity, household appliances, vehicle, baby products, garden products and customized parts. The plant is well equipped with the latest machines and can cater to all kinds of requirements of the injection plastic molds. We set up perfect CAD, CAM, CAI system, and we also believe in learning at a day-to-day basis in upgrade our facilities to be able to provide a better future for our customers. Be confident with our quality, service and price. We keep long-term business relation with our clients from USA, Argentina, Dubai, Spain, Syria, Italy, Korea, Brazil, Slovakia and Turkey. We received a high evaluation and recognition of our customers. We are warmly and sincerely looking forward to your visit and cooperation.